What's up guys, I'm J Marie and I am back with another crochet butterfly lock tutorial, and this time I am going long. Yes guys, these butterfly locks are 30 inches long. I received these locks from Naseo, and with my order 8 packs came in all, and each pack has a total of 10 locks. Now this is my individual illusion braid pattern, and I have several videos on how I achieved this, so I'm going to link that video for you guys. But this pattern is just a slight different because I did create bigger boxes. Because these locks are 30 inches long, I wanted to make sure I'm not placing heavy locks on small sections. Now the loops on these are pretty tight, so you do have to take your time by pulling those apart, making sure you expose that loop nice and wide. This is just going to prevent the hair from tangling up in the loop. These locks are 30 inches long, so they are fairly long. These come down to my butt. So I had to make sure my parting spaces weren't too small because I didn't want that lock to weigh down on my hair. Although they're not as heavy, but I have a total of 70 locks in my head. So I wanted to make sure my spacing was good for the weight of the locks. I used 7 packs to complete this style, and it took me an hour in total. I also noticed when I was crocheting this hair, I was getting stuck when I would get ready to pull the loop through my individual boxes. So I started laying my hook sideways, then pulling it through, and it just slides so much easier that way. Remember to just take your time around your hairline when pulling that loop through. You want to be gentle because we want to prevent as much breakage as possible. When I crocheted the hair at the top, I made sure I had my latch hook pointing down. It just helped conceal that knot a whole lot seamless by pointing my hook down. Now, because my blocks are a whole lot larger, I do have more spacing, so I'm just going to go back in and fill in those spaces. Now, if you're unsure about the size you should create your boxes, I usually take the Locs as a guide. Now with these Locs, they are a little tricky because the loop area is so much smaller, but if you look at how thick the Loc begins to get as it gets to the ends, it's a whole lot thicker, so I use that as my guide instead. And I'm also attaching Locs to that anchor braid in between those boxes. That braid is nice and thick and strong. And these Locs are so pretty, guys. I am loving the length on them. They just give you that exotic look. So gorgeous. Don't forget to check the description box down below. That way you can get your hands on these beautiful extended Locs from the sale. I will have all that information for you. Also, like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think about these Locs, honey. And don't forget to subscribe as well. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.